Welcome back to another video, guys. Sorry it's a little bit late. I'm currently getting blinded because my light on my phone is super bright. But welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having a good evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are watching this. It is yet another starlet video. I'm sorry for you guys that don't enjoy watching that. But if you have clicked on this video, then you probably might be a little bit interested. If you don't already know and you've only just clicked on this video, this is my 1996 Toyota Starlet. Colleagues going home. But this is my 1996 Toyota Starlet, 1.3 Sportive. We are supercharging it. Today, I'm just going to take it down to the workshop after work. And I'm going to do a few little bits. Callum's staying with me as well. So I might see if he wants to do a little machine polishing around the car. I don't know why he wants to stay and watch me do it, because that's originally what I was going to do. But I might see if he wants to do that while I piss about with the fuel filter. So we're going to go ask him, but I will get back to you in the next clip, I guess. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I shall speak to you in a minute. So to start, I'm going to empty this shit out because I've been wanting to do this for fucking ages. And he decided to stay. So yeah, we're going to empty this shit out and maybe some of the shit in here somewhere. Just make it a little bit cleaner. And I want to spray it. Have you got any spray stuff? Oh, that's right.
What kind of spray?
Like what they call it, the blast stuff.
No.
Might have some in my car actually. I got berries. Oh, honey. Is that a lock and wheel nut? Yeah. There's tools in here and everything. Oh, message. I didn't. There's like, well, Rory's left some keys. I got an S5 badge.
Nice.
My phone just doesn't want to fucking focus.
Shark fin.
Yeah, that's off his S5 too.
Fit that fucker on there.
Fit the old shark fin. There's loads of shit in here. Oh, look, we can stick a V8 turbo badge on the back. Got my fucking my roll of camo. In the stuff in the back here isn't really too much. Oh, I did want to keep that. My 13mm ratchet spanner. I got a 10mm ratchet spanner there too. Oh, my phone just made a noise. There's shit all over the gaff. But we did notice this guy got a super fucking good tan just on his arm. In the bin. So it's not going to look much better to you guys, but I've cleaned some shit out. This is all shit that I need. That's obviously oil and coolant, my wrap, my tools and interior pieces, and then in the rear it's just all the shit I want to keep. That's like plastic for underneath. Ooh, fluff. That's just plastic for underneath the bonnet, or underneath the engine should I say. And all the tools you get with the car, jumper cables and a mat and some towing stuff. But I think what we are going to tackle first, that didn't pan up to see your face. My camera didn't then. One of us is going to do a wing and the other one's going to do a door. I think I'm going to tackle the door because that's what I've been wanting to do, and I'm going to show you obviously what it looks like now, and then we'll show you what it's going to look like afterwards. I'm going to try doing some sanding on my bit that I'm going to do. Don't know how Callum's going to tackle his little bit, but we'll see how it goes. But I will update you guys once, either halfway through or towards the end of wherever we get to. Them hubcaps are like the best looking things ever. They need to go black. Alright, so guys, I don't know if you can hear me. He's currently doing that wing, but my paint is basically melting off. I've just wet sanded this panel and this door. As you can see, we have taken off the bump strips. You saw a little clip of me getting rid of the rubber. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. So, as I was saying before that phone call, Callum's now stopped what he was doing. I have just sanded this door. My paint seems to be melting on the floor. Callum's still doing that. I'm now going to start, well, I'm going to dry this up, and then I'm going to start machine polishing this door, and we're going to see how, well, I'm going to see how that turns out. And we'll go from there. This door just looks shit. Used and abused. This door has only been sanded and it already looks better compared to this dodginess and this dodginess. But anyway, I'm going to get to doing that and I will get back to you guys in the minute. Alright, so guys, I've took you out of the gimbal, so footage is probably going to be a little bit shaky. But as you can see, it's looking a little bit more shiny than what it was when we first started. It's actually got a little bit of a reflection in it. Looks a bit funky because we couldn't obviously get into the door handle, but I did actually use a heat gun on that door handle as well, so it looks pretty brand new in the video. But wing looks pretty good too. Obviously this is the bit Callum was doing, and you saw the before. This wing now just looks like it's completely mullered with dents because we can see them a little bit better. But done all the way down the wing. I did say to you guys in the other clip, we took the bump strips off. Obviously all the rubber is off this one because I was machine polishing that door. Didn't really do much with this one. It's got little sportive badge there, which I think is going to end up coming off. Same as the ones on the boot. The Toyota one there and the Starlet one there. They're both going to come off and be redone. But it would be nice if the whole car looked like this. I think that's all we're going to do for tonight, because I've already had the girlfriend on my back seeing when I'm going to be home. I'm starving. Callum's probably starving.
I'm always hungry.
Always hungry, boy. Yeah. But yeah, we're going to leave it at that for now, and I will catch you guys in a minute. I tell you what, guys, it is the best feeling getting into this car, turning that key, and it's starting. This is like the first or second time I've actually been able to do that. So it just feels good. Feels bloody good. And it's raining as well, so that will wash all the polish off the car. Oh. My car's been freshly cleaned today as well. The good old Bemmer. It's going back up to its little sitting spot until we next get it down. I would love to be able to do every panel on this car like we did tonight, and then get it waxed, or wax it myself, obviously, not get it waxed, but just wax it so then it actually stays fresh for a long time. But we'll see how it goes. Still need to sort that fuel tank reader thing out, which is what I was going to plan on doing tonight, which is what you guys would have seen from the intro. I said I was going to try and piss about with it, and Callum was going to machine polish one panel, but we decided against that and went at one panel each, which I ain't going to moan about because they look pretty decent. Also sprayed some stuff in the interior of the car so it smells a bit better. Alright, so guys, I probably look horrible. It's bloody cold. That's why we sit there and wear our hoods all night, because it's cold, and we don't really want to put the heater on down in the workshop because it's a gas heater, and sitting in a room that's enclosed with a gas heater on isn't very good for you. So sorry about that, but I hope you did make it all the way to the end. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment, whatever you want, and I shall see you in my next video, guys. So see you then.